Hi guys, this is Manoj M from Market Ideas for Profit, and today is the December 11th, close to December 12th, somewhere in the night of the December 11th and morning, late night of December 11th, early morning December 12th. And this chart is the daily chart of uh, the Nifty futures, and I'm trying to deconstruct the structure that we have. As usual, I'm using the volume profile tool to give me an idea as to what the market is doing and a cue to what can happen with the price action in the next week. So this is a daily chart, and we are currently at 18,583 as on Friday's close. I have used the last the last swing low somewhere around end of September, 30th of September, and beginning the end of September, end of September, and just about the beginning of October to start my analysis. And using the volume profile and accumulating levels within within each volume profile segment, I have tried to create areas of value, the value areas, and we have 4 value areas within this period, and we've seen there's a consistent rise in the Nifty from the 16,850 levels, 40 levels, to a high of 18,900, just about 18,993, close shy of 19,000. And now we've seen a little bit of a retracement back out of the value area that is currently the value area in which we were roaming around, and now we are between the value area high of 18,460 odd to 18,640. So we are in this region, and we've taken a suggestive support from the old value area. It was volatile Friday, and we saw some volatile action where we had a higher start and then it ended lower. But given the context of things, I feel that the Nifty is not as strong as the Bank Nifty, and we might see some sideways rotation, or we might give away some values on the Nifty in the coming week. You might see either a profit booking, or you might see a sideways action in the Nifty in the coming week. So the exercise here is to build scenarios as to how what we could see in the price action going forward. And there are 2-3 scenarios that can happen, and we will try and discuss that in this video. So starting from the closing on Friday, depending on how the Nifty moves, I would like to run a check and see what is the Bank Nifty giving us in terms of cues. The SGX Nifty giving us cues. I don't. We had a lower. I'll just check what do we have here. So I'll just try and get the chart of the SGX, and the SGX is showing a slight decrease of 32 points. So we are just about within the range of Friday's session. So taking a cue from there, I'll try to build as to what my projection of the Nifty could be. I feel that we could come down and test the value area high of the lower value of the lower balance area, and then maybe we could see a bounce and test the value area low of the upper balance, and there if we find some resistance, we might spend some time there, and then maybe we will proceed to the point of control of the value area. And if we are to move higher, then we would probably test back and move to value area high of the upper value area. So that could take us to 18,850 again. That could be one scenario. This could be one scenario, and if we have a strong move, we could go higher from here too. So that could be the first scenario that we could see. The second scenario could be that we could go lower, tag the value area high and the point of control, and then probably try to tag the low of the value area around 18171, and then probably rotate somewhere around there for the day. This could be scenario number 2. And then the third scenario is when we see that there's a complete breakdown in Nifty and the prices begin to fall drastically. I don't see that happening, but you can never rule out anything in the market. And if that happens, we could open lower. We could open lower inside the value area, tag the value area high and fall to the value area low, and then probably take some rotation inside that value area and probably end the day somewhere lower, below the value area. And that is a probability, and that will mark a retreat in the prices, and that could start the week on a weak note, and could lead to some profit booking in the coming week of 12th to 19th of December. So these are the 3 scenarios that we foresee happening for the Nifty in tomorrow's trade, and it could well build up to give us an idea as to how this week will pan out. So tomorrow's trade is important. It will give us a cue as to what's happening in the next week. So let's wait for the open and test the scenarios that can happen and trade and plan our trades based on what we see where the open happens and how the Nifty proceeds in the first 30 minutes of the trade. Look forward to giving you some more updates live on the Telegram channel while the market is open. The link to the Telegram channel is there in the description below. You can add yourself to the group, and I keep updating the status of Nifty and Bank Nifty during the day. And there are a lot of stocks that I have found good value, but they are a part of the premium channel. So there's a link to how you can go to the premium channel in the basic channel, which you get a link to. And if you're interested to find some interesting trade ideas, you can apply for getting access to the premium channel, which is free until the year end. Post the year end, the channel will go into a subscription mode. But until then, you can be a part of the premium channel and test the performance of the levels that we release. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so, as we keep coming out with informative videos. And do like if you find value in today's analysis, as it helps the channel to reach more people like you. That should be it for the day. I will bring more updates on the Telegram channel when the markets are live. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.